Hello, everyone. This is Engineer from Fenstek. Now let us learn how to use CAM software. Please find CAM software on screen. Double-click to open. Before drawing, please assure the profile that you want to process. This is a casement window sash that we want to process. If this is a sash for door, we need process 3 surface. Now we confirm the clamping position when we put profile on machine working table. This is top surface, bottom surface cannot process. This is left surface, this is right surface. Profile width is 60 mm. Height is 95 mm. Back to CAM software, click Tool, Tool Management. Input your milling blade diameter which you install on machine. This is length of milling blade which uncovered. You can measure it using tape. Click OK. Because we demo this software with 3-axis machining center now, there is one milling blade that we set. For 4-axis machining center, there are several milling blades you need set. Now we create a new profile, we input profile exact details. Length is 1800 mm, width is 60 mm, height is 95 mm. Thickness is biggest thickness of profile. This is approach distance. In order to avoid damage profile, we will reduce moving speed when milling blade moved to profile surface. When milling blade moved to the set distance, speed will be reduced. We usually set 5 mm. This is safe distance. Click OK. We built a new profile form. Now we can see this is a rectangular tube, not your profile shape. Now let us confirm profile processing way. This is installing hardware transmission groove. This is inside, this is outside. This is top surface, this is left surface, this is right surface. Please click one surface, then find your needful patterning on this surface. Transmission is square. We choose the square shape. Now define processing position. For example, we set 1200 mm on a direction. Y direction refer to the distance from here to here. We can measure it by tape. L1 is length of square, L2 is width of square. Normal menu is processed shape information. Process parameter menu is machine parameter. Tool is milling blade information. Second is spindle rotate speed. The fourth is done speed. For aluminum profile processing, we can set 800. If process up profile, can set 1200. Next one is up speed. 4000 is okay. Regarding feeding speed, we advise 1000 for aluminum, 2000 for up. Layer height means height difference between highest point of profile and processing point. Now we confirm layer height of this profile is 31.7. We input 31.7. Depth is thickness where we process position. Depth single means mill single time. Now we set all information that we want to process on top surface. Now we set left surface. We set a lock hole milling on left surface. Firstly click L surface, then choose lock hole shape. Confirm lock hole position on left surface. Y is 45. In order to make sure lock hole is on the middle, we set Y with half of height. All information set by profile information. L1 is 40, diameter 1 is 20, diameter 2 is 12. Now set machine process parameter. Because there are 2 layers need mill, we will mill 2 times. Depth S is 15, depth single is 8. Now we set rotate range. It is 180. We add one more circle round shape on left surface. Set circle round shape information. Add another more circle round shape on left surface. All information set is by your actual requirement. Left surface setting is finished. Now let us set right surface. Choose your needful shape. Set all information by your requirement. Here we have another method to set right surface. There is a mirror function. Click left surface, then click mirror, all items, OK. Now right surface has same shape with left surface. Now we finish all setting on 3 surface. After checking drawing is no problem, we can generating program. Name by your profile information. Casement door with height 95. Select the path to save. Now you can select your drawing in PAW CNC system. Someone doesn't like to use CAM software to drawing. Now we will introduce another drawing method by CAD. Open AutoCAD software. If we want to draw profile shape, need draw 4 surfaces individually. First is left surface. Second is top surface. Third is right surface. Fourth is bottom surface. We can draw 4 surfaces by exact size. Especially width is biggest width of your profile. In CAD profile drawing, this is left surface. Last one is bottom surface. After drawing, we need save this drawing as DXF format. Please choose 2010 version. Because our CAM software only can recognize versions below 2010. Now we open CAM software again. Please pay attention, when you open CAM on machine, don't have this warning. Now we import DXF file, input profile actual thickness, and approach distance. Then find your needful file which is drawn by CAD software just now. Now we can check the drawing in CAM together with drawing in CAD. In CAD drawing, left surface is a single circle. Click left surface in CAM, same single circle. Regarding top surface, it is a square hole. We can check this hole position is same or not. In CAD, this hole center position is 500. In CAM, this shape position also is 500. If you want to change this whole position, you can edit in CAM. Next one is right surface corresponding third shape in CAD. They are 3 circle holes. Same shape in CAM software. Bottom surface also same. We process left, top and right surface. Even though bottom surface needn't process, we also draw it in CAD. We can check profile information in CAM. Now we can generating program. Name by your profile information. Select the path to save. Of course, you can save this drawing in your computer. Both of these shapes are editable. Choose your needful shape, input your needful shape information. If you want to use CAM very well, need do more exercise on machine. Now please pay attention this point. Regarding tool management, tool measurement, for these data, every machine is different. You need confirm these data by your machine. Don't forget to set these data and save. Thanks for your watching. Hope that is helpful for you.